Hey, what's up guys? It's Bobby, and we've got some more Legos to share with you. So Bobby has the Lego Speed Champions 1970 Ferrari 512M. So we got this around Christmas time. It's roughly April, and we opened it one day, we didn't finish it, so we are making a video now. So dude, are you ready to get started? Yeah? Alright. Well then, how about let's open this up. So let's get started. Here we go. Alright, Bobby. We're done here, man. The Ferrari looks pretty awesome, dude. Right? Yeah, it took us a little while to build this, didn't it? Just kidding. We wrapped it up in about an hour. You know, you started this around Christmas time, put it away, and then just on this beautiful April day, we're building it. So what do you like about this set, Bobby? What do you like about it? I like these really cool little Ferrari decals on the side, on the 1x1 plates. They're pretty cool. The tires are pretty sweet too, man. You got a minifigure there? What's his name? You don't say. You don't say. You don't say. Putting his helmet on so we can go riding. Yeah? No? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So that's pretty cool, Bobby. So you've got another car to build for us too, huh? Yeah. Got another Speed Champion set to build for us. Hi, Bobby. You want to say thank you for watching? Look at the cameraman. Look at the cameraman. You too, my man. Thanks for sharing. Have a great day, buddy.